Now that you have finished typing, you may want to save the document. What you'll need to do first is to find the blue tab up the top that says File. So you move the mouse up there and you click on this once. This will then give you a list of options. What we want is to save. So this is the first option and it has a little icon next to it of a disk. So we click on this once. Now we need to select where we want to save. So I want to save it under my documents and in the folder called example. So I need to click on that twice. I then need to come down here to where it says file name and name my document. So I want to name it Bill. And then you'll need to find the icon, the button that says save. This is already indicated in blue and we need to click on that. And now your document is saved for you to come back to another time.